gorgeous people. Thank you for watching. Happy Wednesday. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and I'm always happy to bring you guys another video. Thank you so much for watching and for clicking on this video today. So we do have a giveaway winner. I've already contacted Miss Simply Demi. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel in the description box so you can check her out. Now let me tell you what you are going to be receiving, Simply Demi. And by the way, your packages will be coming in this envelope. I mentioned this envelope on Sunday. This shipping envelope is biodegradable. Okay, so when you order your t-shirts, which I'm going to be talking about in a minute, it's going to be coming in this lovely little packaging. So when you get your package at home, don't throw this in the garbage. Throw this in your compost, okay? And again, if you want to cut this up into small pieces and toss it in your backyard, go right ahead. It's going to break down. It's not going to hurt the environment, okay? So we're going to talk about that in the t-shirts in a second. Simply Demi has won this beautiful lip gloss, and I used so many of these over the winter, and I'm still using these over the winter season. This is a grape jelly eyeshadow palette from Ruby Kisses, and of course you can tell the purple theme that's going on here. This is a face mask from Garnier Skin Active. We're going to be talking more about this mask, I think, in next week's video, because I do have a demo for you guys. When I look back at some of my old videos and see my skin, I thought, oh my God, my skin was in such bad condition. And I was doing makeup videos. And the makeup videos were alright, but my skin was really not in good shape. Thanks to products like these, because number one, this is a biodegradable product. Okay? Infused with approximately 1 bottle of serum, and it is going to brighten your skin. We'll talk more about this next week. And of course, this is one of the polo shirts that I had for a giveaway. They will not be available for sale, probably not anytime soon, but I'm going to let you guys know. But this is one of the giveaways. I think I have another one on the website for a giveaway. Just check it out. So Simply Demi, this is for you. You're going to receive the face mask, the eyeshadow palette, and the lip gloss, and it's all going to be coming again in this beautiful little packaging here from this beautiful little packaging here that is biodegradable, and so it's going to be coming to you as well. And of course, when you do order your t-shirts, it's also going to be coming in this package. I have 2 colors available, purple and red, and of course I'm wearing the purple today. A little brooch to the side just to jazz it up a little bit, and a very, very dainty, cute necklace. And these earrings are from Timo. I've mentioned these earrings to you guys before, just a little ring on my finger. And of course, a purple lipstick. This is called Heroin, and this is from MAC. And it's really, really simple. Of course, you know, the video is going to be playing while we're talking about this. You can jazz up these t-shirts. Again, they're just t-shirts, okay? And again, hand wash, lay flat to dry, or you can put it in a garment bag, cold wash in a washing machine and lay it flat to dry as well. Or steam iron, and you know, there you go. And the t-shirts are really, really comfortable. They're 50% cotton, very nice and comfortable on the body. And again, $11.23. And of course, I did my due diligence before I actually priced these t-shirts, okay? $11.23 is not a bad price for these t-shirts, and I think it is a steal. It's like a giveaway, okay? It's just, but it's $11.23. Payments through PayPal, email interact. My email address is in the description box for you guys. And you guys are going to enjoy your t-shirts, and I'm really hoping that you guys are going to buy more than one. Someone had sent me a DM and they said, listen, can I have 20 of these? And I said the maximum per customer is 10, okay, to keep the shipping cost down. All right, I am not going to do more than 10 to ship per customer. Just keep that in mind, okay? So we are going to leave it here for today. Congratulations, Miss Demi. Your giveaway will be coming in this lovely envelope. Again, it's biodegradable. And all of these goodies are yours. And guys, please stay tuned to my channel and also to the website, because if you don't, you're going to be missing out lots of stuff. I am a very giving person, and I just love to give things to people, and you guys are amazing supporters to my channel. And please send me your orders for your t-shirt. It's going to be out within 10 days for you, okay? And on that note, we are going to leave it here for today. I do thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles.